Welcome to the Florida State University Employee Assistance Program presentation. What is the Employee Assistance Program, or EAP? The Employee Assistance Program incorporates various services which include the FSU Mediation Program, the Emergency Loan Fund, and a number of training and organizational development activities. Why does FSU have an Employee Assistance Program, or EAP? The Employee Assistance Program represents a commitment by FSU to improve the well-being of its employees through a program that provides help in dealing with personal and/or workplace difficulties. Because FSU values you as a person, as well as the work you do, a complete program is provided to give you the help you need when you need it. The EAP provides a centralized location where FSU employees may seek and obtain assistance in the 5 following areas: brief counseling or intervention for employees to address personal or workplace issues, supervisor consults, emergency loan fund or ELF, organizational development, and mediation. The Employee Assistance Program is confidential and provides problem evaluation, brief intervention, referral if needed, and follow-up services to help FSU employees deal with marital and family conflicts, parenting, relationship issues, financial difficulties, separation or divorce, grief or loss issues, job stress, anxiety, depression, or anger, physical, sexual, or emotional abuse, alcohol and drug abuse, eating disorders, and communication problems. We offer supervisor consultations concerning workplace issues and emergency loans for those unexpected financial needs that sometimes crop up. The organizational development component of the EAP consists of conducting trainings and workshops on areas of interest. Current class offerings include team building, team dynamics, conflict communication skills, stress management, working with you is killing me, EAP for supervisors, and compassion fatigue. We also provide mediation services, conflict resolution, for employees to help them resolve differences in a constructive way. Who is eligible for our services? You are eligible to use our services free of cost if you are an employee, a dependent, or an immediate family member of an employee of FSU. This includes spouse or partner, children, or other family members who live in the same household or residence as the employee. Dependents and/or immediate family members can seek help with the employee or on their own. When a referral is made to an outside agency, there may be a fee or cost associated with those services. We make every effort to obtain high-quality care at the most reasonable cost. Health insurance will cover many referral resources such as inpatient and outpatient care in private and public treatment facilities. Sometimes personal problems can interfere with your job. If this happens, a department head or supervisor might provide you with a suggested or supervisor referral regarding the use of our services to assist you in resolving any personal difficulties. However, our services are confidential and your right to privacy is rigidly protected. When you seek assistance, no one will be told that you are using the program. The employee assistance professional cannot release any information to anyone without your consent. Employee assistance professionals follow a strict code of professional ethics in dealing with confidentiality. Help is waiting for you. We are located at 937 West Jefferson Street. To schedule an appointment, call us at 644-2288 and visit our website at www.eap.fsu.edu.